So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do in Claude is get mathematical solutions as needed as well. So around over here, what you can do is you can go ahead and say, let's say, for example, I have 3 items worth $200 each. And let's say one item will increase in value by 10% a year. Another one will decrease 5% per year, and another one will increase 7% per year. By the end of 5 years, what will be the total amount? So you can go ahead and then give a question like this right here. It will increase. So I'm just going to go around and say increase 7% per year. And as you do that, what happens is that it'll go ahead. The Claude will calculate out the answer right here, and then will give me the result. So you can see it is thinking right here, and it says here's the breakdown of each item's value over 5 years and the combined total. So you can see it is plotting the growth curve and so forth, and it is giving me the calculation. So you can see there's item A, B, C right here, and then it is saying total after 5 years. So there's item A plus 10%, item B is minus 5, and you can see it gave me the graph right here just like this as well. And it says here's the math behind each item at 5 years using compound growth right here. And then you can see like this is what you have. So you can see that this is the total, grand total after 5 years, as you can see. So this is basically how you can go ahead and get mathematical solutions in Claude for complex problem as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.